Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday. We're off to the market in Blacktown. Yeah, we're just gonna go and see what's there. Hopefully there's the ladies that make the Cook Island donuts, so we can get us some donuts. That'll be nice. They make really nice bouquet as well, so hopefully they're there so we can get some. How's everyone been? Do you know what time it is now? 7:15 in the morning. Yep, early bird gets the worm. Oh my gosh, vampire, chakula, the sun. Anyway, guys, let's go for a little ride. Okay, guys? Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, and my driver here. Hello.
Hello. Boss, you can keep the paper. I don't want to mess it up. No thanks. Thank you, brother. Enjoy, guys. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Anyway, guys, here's the market. Not that many people just yet, but this is good. It's good when there's not many, if any. Not many, if any. So anyway, guys, there's a whole lot of second-hand stuff here you can get. You know, you can get a good bargain if you come and look for the stuff that you need. Look, they even got fishing rods here. So, yeah, my husband's still in the car. See those little coffee tables, $5 each. I need coffee tables too. See, they're gonna have a kettle. That's nice. You get a kettle if you go and buy something. I think that man was buying something like a tiki or something. Look at that. Yum, yum. I'm only showing. Sorry. You get all the burgers here as well.
Let's see what's happening here.
You can get a nice coffee here too. Oh, I feel like a coffee. So you come here and get all this yummy food. 3 pieces of chicken, the 4. See, this is what I was telling these people here for ages. It's good to have a row of so many food. Haven't been here for a while. Oh wow, look at that. This barbecue. What's that? Ribs, chicken. in the days bottles. They're dirty, but back in the day, Fanta. Look. Back in the days, Fanta bottles. Cool. So guys, come for a bargain. Come for a bargain. Down at the Blacktown market. Yeah, can I have a look at that? I got sort of chubby figures. Those two.
Oh, like me, I'd take a man-size ring. We're here?
Yeah, the one in the middle.
One in a box.
Okay. Oh, there's the.
Oh no, that's not.
No,
in the box.
that's
no,
two.
not that one.
That's the.
This one, doll.
Yeah.
Oh, this
Well,
one
they look
is
small.
small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, better not. What about this one then?
Yeah, that's been very popular.
Yeah. If I could just look at that one, please. Thank you.
There's one here. This is pretty. This is square. See how it sits in there?
No, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see if that fits me.
Two of those little lamps. Which colour?
Oh, yeah, cool. Fits me. Yeah, fits me. I'll have these two.
Okay. Oh, I'll give you a nice box.
Yeah, thank you. And that's $10 too. Might as well.
Yeah, $10 love.
Oh no, this is the one I wanted, I think. Yeah, but that one you have to put back because.
This is the one. Hello, darling.
How are you?
I'm good, honey.
Yeah, can I try that one? Oh, I think it looks small as well.
Most of them are big, but
Yeah.
yeah, most of them are big.
I better not take the yellow one. What about the green one?
This?
Do you think it's the same size as that? No, that's a small. See what happens when I have chubby
Yeah,
fingers?
that's 8. You need about a 10.
Okay.
Was that other one a 10?
I don't know.
I think it might have been.
Well, this is a 10 here, isn't it?
This is a 10. They're
This one?
10s. I wear one of those
Yeah.
when I go out.
Oh,
I've
that's a
actually
nice
had a lot of compliments on that.
one. Okay. No, better leave that. Where's my one that I got?
Here.
Okay, that one. And I'll take this one as well.
Okay.
Thank you. I just got to take
You're
it to get it
Yeah,
polished and it'll look nice
It
and
might be rubbish
yeah, it
metal,
doesn't feel like it.
because I got a funny feeling I bought that for Jimmy in New
Okay.
Zealand. It looks really familiar. Okay. Now, I'll go and get you a little.
Anyway, guys, buying this ring for myself. Oh, I've got no ring. Got no ring.
What's that, love?
No,
Oh,
that's
your
for my YouTube channel.
Oh,
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel. So I thought, since I'm coming here to the market, I might as well, you know, film.
oh, good on you.
So, is that $20?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know where my husband is. He always sneaks off. Doesn't like me rushing
Are they
him.
both in that little kitty?
Oh, thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, we have to do a
Do you
swap.
want that in a...
Yeah. Can I have a pork and chicken, please?
Which one? This one, eh?
This one.
That's a chicken one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have a chicken one, thank you.
There you go.
Yeah. And can I have one piece of chicken thigh, please? And 2 pork sticks, please.
So this chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what is, sorry?
2 pork sticks, please.
That's 11, 7, that's 8,
And it's 1 spring roll.
8, 1.
Yeah.
Won't be too long, sir.
So look at that, guys. Oh la la. Then I've got the spring roll. Yep. I got the chicken thigh. Got the 2 pork sticks. Look at that. I'll give that a go. Looks really good. Man, not too bad. Got a nice flavour. You know?
How are you, Bob? What do you know?
Give me some rice. Bit dry. Bit dry, the rice. I'll try this. Well. I'll give that a go. It's a chicken on that Filipino store over there. Bit breezy, so you might hear some nice, but it's also really hot. It's really hot. It's really chilly hot. So it's got me a drink. You can taste the lemongrass. Maybe have a bit of rice that comes to heat up. Nice. Oh, it's pretty hot. Have some pie. See, sharing is caring. It looks really nice. Nice. Anyway, this is nice. I want to give me another one. Oh, pig. Anyway, give this one a go. Gotta open the sauce. Okay. Gotta try the spring roll. It's a nice punch. You know, just pull my t-shirt so you guys don't see my palapa. Excuse me, quay mà để phải được video kìa. Vâng. Only got vegetables. How idea they don't put meat in it. Nah, it's alright. Got a lot of meat here. Pepper. And what? Where's the pork? No. Really nice. I really like this. It's nice. I'm going to give me another one. Where's my husband so he can come and have some?
Excuse me? Hopefully I might see you now. How's everything going for you, old man? You all right? No, you're like me, we want it quiet. Don't tell us, mate. Bye, bye. See you later.
Put this away. Go away, fly. No one invited you to lunch. How do you go? Anyway, I'm gonna go get some more of that lamb. That's not a lamb. Why am I calling it a lamb? It's a chicken thing. It's really tasty. So it's $7. So I'm gonna go get another one. Then I'm gonna go put it in the car. Oh, the $10 one, please.
Can we get your name, please?
Faye.
Faye.
How do you spell that? F-A-Y-E. Vids. Nah. Watermelon drink, please. Thank you. Oh, I get two. Thank you.
very good camera, the best.
Oh, thank you very much.
My camera,
Oh, yeah.
my phone guys, it's not very clear.
Oh, okay.
15 years ago.
Ooh.
But you can't take it on. You are my couldn't take it.
Yeah, yeah, you can take this
When
one.
you next one, they score. That's bad, but. Oh, how much bad? They came back. Too much money. $2,000.
Oh,
So fun.
yeah,
Too much money.
yeah,
That was very happy with that.
yeah. This was 500.
We are couldn't use the next one, they score. Big time now. Couldn't use that. Time now. Time now.
Oh, time lapse.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
yeah, yeah.
Very clear.
Yeah, very clear. It is.
See that? You have to pay.
Up.
You have to pay.
Okay.
I'll give you pay that.
And I just take the drink. I'll go and take my drink. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, here, hold this. Anyway, I put my name down for a donut, 2 bags. One for us and one for the kids.
Was there anything else you're waiting on?
No, I already got my chop suey and everything.
Thanks for waiting.
Yeah, that's all right. Thank you. Karape. Let's go. Okay. So guys, raw donut. See. Anyway guys, that was a good day today. Got my mango drink, my rare donut, my bling bling, and what else did I get? Oh, and I lost my husband. Then I found him again. Oh, nah. Anyway, guys, going home now to take my mum some lunch, my daughter some chop suey and rice. Ooh la la. Anyway, thanks for coming along. I hope the camera wasn't too shaky. Yeah, okay. Say, yeah, bye driver.
Bye.
Driver.
Bye.
Oh well. He said bye. And my hair's getting messed up. Have a good day guys. Wherever you are, take care, okay? And it's a sign out for me. Oh, my bling looks good. $10. Probably a toy ring, of course. But never mind. As long as it makes it bling, 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 bling.